grade 8. This will be part 2. All right, so this was the last question I told you to do by yourself. So, a membership to the gym costs $25 per person in 1995. So this was the starting amount for one person in 1995, okay? The membership cost has increased by $6 per person. So that means this amount is going to be positive for each year since 1995. So after 1995, every year it went up. Every year the person was charged $6 more. $6 more than $25. Okay? So now I'm starting to think, for how long has this person been charged $6? And then I continue reading. For the cost of a gym membership for one person since 1995. So we're supposed to write a linear equation for this story. So my linear equation will be y equals 6x plus 25. You're already paying 25. What did they do? They added you more $6, okay? That's what they did. They added $6 more to your the original cost of 25. So how did I know this is y, this is x, this is 0? How do I know what title to put on the x, what title to put on the y? So this is talking about time and money, okay? How did I know it was talking about money? Because we were talking about 1995. 1995, 2009, those are years. So my time is going to be on the x-axis, and the unit is going to be years, okay? So then I'm going to label 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as you can see, every number is on the line. Every number is on the line. I don't label in the box. This is 0, this is 1. I only skipped one box, so I have to continue skipping one box each time. I cannot write 1 over here and then write 2 here. No. If I'm skipping one box, it is one box at the time. If I'm skipping 2 boxes, if this is 1, then 2 will be here. Then 3 will be here. Then 4 will be here. Your scale must be the same. All right. Since I am doing this, I'm going to go by 5. So let me see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That will not be enough. How do I know? So let's make my table. I'll make my table over here. Okay? Because we need to draw a graph. So this will be y. No, this will be x. This will be my work using this equation. 6 bracket x. Maybe I'll just go by 5. No, I won't be able to be enough. Let me see. Plus 25. And that gives me y. Okay. When x is 0, 6 bracket 0 plus 25 is 25. So my first point is 0, 25. And this will be my y-intercept because it starts with 0. And I do 1, 6, 1 plus 25, that is 31. And 31 is not a friend of 5. I want friends of 5. All right. Then here is 2. So let me try with 5. Because I've noticed I want to use 5s, okay? 6 bracket 5 plus 25. This is 30 plus 25. is 55. Okay. So 5 goes with 55. So what I can do is I can skip 5 and 10 and say, so then I start with 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, so this becomes 20, 25. I have skipped all the numbers that are friends of 5 over here because my graph is small. I cannot fit all the numbers. So then I know I'm going by 5. So 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay? Then I need to label my title for the Y, which is cost. And the unit is dollars. According to this question, the unit is dollars. Okay? All right. So we are comparing time over money. So I'm going to graph these two. So 0, 25 is going to be here. Make sure your pencil is very sharp. You cannot use a blunt pencil. This is a graph. Use a sharp pencil. And then the next one is who? 5. So I go to 5 and I go all the way to 55. And then with my ruler, I join these two. So let me put my phone down first. Okay, and you draw your line. Always go outside your graph, because you might need to use your graph to solve some things. And there is my graph. Now, how do I check I'm correct? My y-intercept is 25. If I go on my y line, my graph is touching the y-axis at 25. My slope is positive. This means my line will be going up. Yes, my line is going up. So I have confirmed that I am correct. Now, I need to confirm that my slope is 6. So this is 0, 25. And this is 5, 55. 555. So I'm going to do slope equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I want to confirm if this is correct. So, as in if my graph is correct, because I need to get 6. If I don't get 6, then I did this wrong. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Let me do over here. Y2 is 55. I am minusing 25. 5 minus 0. And then what do I get? I should get 5 minus 5 is 0. That's 30 over 5. And 30 divided 5 is 6. So I know I am correct. And I know my graph is correct. I have done what the question says, graph the equation. There. When you're graphing the equation, you must draw a table. Use your table. This is your 0. This is your 25. So this is your x and y. X and y. X and y. X and y. You take your x and you take your y and you make a point and you use them there. So if your graph is not labeled, you have to figure out how you're going to label. How did I know I wanted to use 5s? Because my numbers ended with 5. Okay? Now it says interpret the slope. So I would say for every year after 1995, each person paid $6. Interpret the y-intercept. This is the starting amount. This is the starting amount since 1995. Okay, this is the starting amount since 1995. All right, now use the equation to answer a question in the story. The question said, what is the cost of the gym membership in 2009? So I needed to know from 1995 to 2009, how many years was that? So what did I do? I subtracted 1995 from 2009 and it gave me 14 years. So, and years is my x. I'm going to take my equation. Y is equals to 6x plus 25. Y is equals to 6 bracket 14 plus 25. Y is equals to 84. 84 plus 25. Okay. And then let's confirm 14 times 6, 84. Then I'm going to add 25. That should be 109. So $109 is my Y. That's my answer to this question. Then I write the cost of a gym membership. So the cost of a gym membership in 2009 is $109. There is your answer in a sentence. I have told you, you must know how to read. It is from the reading that you will get the equation. If this is wrong, you can't do the rest of the part. It has to be from the reading. Okay? All right. Do your examples and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye.